how's it going? Welcome back to another episode. Today's episode is behind the scene. Well, the truth is that not every video ends up well, so there's always the ugly side of the story. So let's go behind the scene and I'll show you the ugly side during the making of this video. My job looks glamorous and fun, but it's not always the case. In our line of job, accident will happen. It's just a matter of time. So this accident is one of it. Making a video is expensive enough, but crashing the car while making the video is 10 times more expensive. So now that you know, and I hope you will continue to support me by watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you do so, and that will really help my channel and allow me to continue making more videos for you in the future. Thank you. Right guys, this is where I got my aero kits for my GT86, aka the claw, and today I'm sending back all my broken parts, bits and pieces back to Best Kit Fiverr. There you go, they're all bumped up in pretty bad shape. So yep, this is Best Kit. Hopefully we have them fixed in no time. Alright, check out this place. They have all sort of cars here, some Lotuses, Skyline, and crashed up BMW. This is the other side of the workshop where they prep and prepare all the bodyworks. These are all the molds, so depending on what car you're looking for. Cool, right? All the resin, the fiberglass, that kind of stuff. And hopefully they get it fixed real soon. These are some of the other drift cars that they are making in progress. No idea what is this, but well, looks like they're having a lot of party here. Lots of party. 350Z, more 350 there. Right, they're pretty far away from KL though, so if you need any aero kits, this is where you can find them. They're in Semuanya. Right, signing off. Bye. Road to recovery for the claw. I'm just going to show you one part of the front chassis is actually bent. This is the part where I want to show you. This part here is kink. So what you're going to do is we're going to apply intense heat somewhat around these sections to soften up the material, so that it will be easy for them to actually use a hydraulic system to yank and pull the chassis to make it straight. The front subframe is now bending this way. Side here is now going further in, pushing the arm all the way towards the back, and gonna pull the whole thing back. Okay. Alright guys, we got our bumper back from Best Kit a couple days ago. So this was all patched up the other day, so now it's been patched up nicely. You can see that Sarah is hands full putting back all the stuff, and hopefully the car will be up and running in the next 2 or 3 days. Okay, today is a happy day for me. We finally completed the repair over the last 5 days. So big thank you to Sarah. Sarah's down there. Hi. Sarah's the guy that helped me to rebuild the car in the last 5 days, and he's working his butt off. And over here, Jaya, thank you so much. Jaya is always behind the scene as well. He's the man behind, running around with cameras and helping me to edit. And where are you? Come on, Ume. Ume is our chief videographer and editor as well, and he's the guy that make the video look super cool. So thank you Ume, thank you Jaya, thank you so much Sarah, and yeah, what else can I say? I hope you guys enjoy the video, and the car will be doing some donut and drifting Day after tomorrow. Yes. Bye for now.